What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, ooh, what's happening, y'all? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole. Welcome, guys. Today I'm actually trying a different type of video for my channel. I ordered some wigs from Amazon. I ordered 3 wigs, and I thought, well, why not do like a try-on haul so you guys can see the wigs? Let me know which one is your favorite or not or whatever. So if you're interested in that, y'all, please stay tuned because it's coming really, really soon. Oh, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. It's very important. Very. Alrighty, loves. So, yes, welcome. This is a bonus video for that ass boo. So there will be no shout outs in this video, guys. Yeah, because this is just like a quick little bonusy video. We're gonna do this kind of quickly, guys. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I bought to go along with the wigs, and then we're gonna do the wig try on portion, okay? I know that I wear a lot of wigs, but usually my wigs I just kind of put on and go. I never have like baby bangs or anything like that. So I think these wigs do. So I was studying YouTube videos and TikTok and all that to see what they buy to go with their wigs. Girl, I have never like glued a wig on before. So this is gonna, now I won't be gluing it down in this video, but I'm gonna just show you guys what I got. And then in later videos, I will show you guys the process of the whole glue down thing if I can get it. I will have everything linked down below for you guys just in case you wanted to purchase it or whatever. But I noticed that everybody got the got to be glued, well, almost everyone. They used this ultra gel to like slick their edges down and also to kind of like, I guess, glue the wig on the side. So I did get this one. It's 6 ounces of product in this one. I picked up by mistake 2 of the gots to be glued blasting freeze spray to spray like the hairline to, I guess, glue it to my head. And then I ended up picking up this little pack of things here. It has a comb in it, this pink little comb, a rat tail comb. It has the toothbrush thing and a little comb to slick my edges with. And there's 3 bands in here that you use to tie around to kind of hold your baby bangs in place. I will have all of the products, the wigs, like on the side somewhere here or somewhere so that you guys can see what it is. I will try to tell you all the prices of each wig. So we're gonna go on and get started right now with wig number 1. And you guys let me know in the comments which wig you like best, okay? So yeah, let's get wig number 1 so you guys can see it. I'm gonna show you the inside and all of the structure and stuff, and then we're gonna put it on. So we do get 2 wig caps in here right there, and the wig comes in this little Ziploc bag. So let's see what she looking like, baby. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, so it comes like this. This is supposed to be 18 inches. Okay. When you open it and take it down, this is what it looks like. It has like this little net over it. All right. Oh, okay. This is the front of the wig, if you guys can see. It has the lace here. It's a soft lace. There is the hairline. In the inside of the cap, you have 2 combs here. You have a comb under here and also 2 adjustable straps. This is what the hair looks like. It's nice and wavy, beautiful. The lace does go from ear to ear. It's 13 by 3. So yeah, we're gonna go put this one on and I will be right back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is just it flipped up. I didn't like pull it down or anything. So let's see. So you see the big lace. It does go, guys, from ear over here to, let's see, to ear like that. The parting space is very short. I guess I can go up a little more. See, it doesn't really have too much of a parting space. The sides, like the hairline actually looks pretty decent. Like I could probably cut it and it'll look kind of natural. I don't see the baby bangs they were talking about. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this up so that you guys can see it kind of how it looks without this little white piece in the front, this lace. So this is it all pulled to the front. I'm gonna go tuck this under, guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, so This is the wig with the little lace thing just kind of tucked under. I looked in the picture. It's supposed to be a side parted wig. It is just a tad bit shiny, but I can put like some powder on it to kind of like dull it out. I do like that the hair feels nice and soft. This is very similar to hair that I wear already, so it's not really a big difference for me. It is cute, it's synthetic. This is how it's supposed to look. So I'm supposed to like do like the little baby bangs and stuff, but this is just me kind of trying them on for you guys so that you can see. It does feel nice though. It's full. You can see it stops like right above my boobs on me. I don't know if this is quite 18 inches, it may be, but this is the first wig, guys. And like I said, don't mind how it looks because it is like tucked under. So yeah, what y'all think? Let me know in the comments about this first one. All right, so the second wig that we have is from ELIM. I don't know what that is. This is the short curly kinky wigs right here. It's a curly wig. It's a fluffy wavy synthetic wig. This is what it came packaged in right here, my loves. This is the picture right there of what it's supposed to look like. So the box is really cute. I do like that it comes in a box. When you open it up, you have the wig in here. Also, they sent over a little brush and a little bag here for you to put your wig in. Just so we're clear, I did pay for these wigs. I pay for these wigs with my own money, guys. Inside, okay, so inside we get a wig cap, some brown wig caps, which I do love, and then a thank you card and instructions on how to keep the wig up. So it comes like this in like this little net. When we take the net off, it's just this curly like wig here, okay? It does have some paper in the inside. This wig does not have any combs on the inside, guys. Just adjustable straps in the back. Oh, I'm sorry, it does have, oh no, it's just two little adjustable straps in the back. And yes, we're gonna see how this works. I am gonna take this one off. This one is really big head friendly, guys, because it needs to actually be tightened on me. But let me go take this one off and put this one on, and we'll be right back. All right. Let's put this on. Girl, okay, let's see. Oh my God, like it. Okay, guys, let's see if we can work a little magic. It's very tight curled, as you guys can see. Oh, I'm getting some tangles in it too. I don't really like that. Okay, let's pull it out a little bit just to give it a little bit of structure. You see the structure I'm giving? Yeah, baby. Y'all see? All right. All right. Hold on, because, boo, this thing is looking like, what? What? What you saying, boo? What? Girl, what? Let me tell you something. I know it looked like a clown wig. But it's something about it that I'm feeling. Like the bangs are really kind of long. So I would definitely have to trim those up. But I like it with the bangs like that. Yes. What? Girl, let me tell y'all something. You got to put your big hoops on for this hair. I'm telling you. This is like giving me like a Jerry curl type. What? What? We gonna FaceTime my sister to see what she thinks. What do you think about this?
I love it.
She love it? Yo.
I want a wig like that. That is so cute.
I'm shocked she not. You gotta cut the bang. Ugh. You gotta cut the bang for me.
I love it.
Okay, I just want my people to hear.
Amazon?
Yes, Amazon. Say hi, sis.
I've seen that one, huh?
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, thanks. Peace.
I love it. Peace.
Okay, my sister like it. So I think we need hoops on, but I'm kind of feeling this, y'all. Like, I don't know what I'm giving. Like, maybe Donna Summers, maybe it. I don't know what it's given, but I will survive. Is that her? I don't know. But look at that. What y'all think about this one? This is totally different for you, girl. What y'all think? Let me know. I'm gonna puff it out more up here, and I'm probably gonna cut the bangs a little bit, but I do love this. I mean, I could do like a little updo That'll be cute. Like a little all up. Oh, well, that don't look good. But I kind of like it. It's so different from me though. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Okay guys, so this one was $32 and they did arrive fairly quickly. This is very different for you, girl. Like, it's very different, but let me know what y'all think. And then you don't need to like glue it down or anything. It's like a pop on and go. Okay, so our final wig comes from the brand Elesty, E-L-E-S-T-Y, and this is the Lucy hair wig. It's a long wavy synthetic lace front glueless purple high temperature wig, and it comes in this bag like that. This one was $43. They come packaged like this, so I'm gonna take it out and show you guys what it's looking like. Now this is what I'm gonna wear with my Halloween costume, guys. It's this beautiful purple wig. I've never worn like this color hair before, but it's actually like a purple. It looks like a gray purple, if you guys can see. It's like a grayish color purple. It is very long. I think this is like a 22-inch wig. Ooh, the hair feels very soft. The lace front right here is nice and soft. The hairline actually looks pretty decent, guys. In the inside, we have 2 combs. In the top, no combs in the back, but just adjustable straps down there. So I'm gonna take this one off and put on this lavender one, and we'll be right back. I'm nervous about this one, y'all. Okay. So I went ahead and put it on, and I kind of tucked the lace back. So that's why y'all see the lace right here. I did not cut it yet, but this is the wig right here. I don't know. Let me look at the picture to see how they wear it. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this one yet, y'all, because it looks like it's kind of pushed back, like my forehead is big. Let me see how it's supposed to be worn. So it could be like a side part, or yeah, it's a side part. All right, so let me pull it up a little bit more. Okay, so this is this wig. Try to like imagine that this lace is not there. All right, what y'all think about the color on me? I actually really do like the color. The hair feels nice and soft. This is gonna be the one that I wear for Halloween with my costume. It is, it does go from ear to ear, my loves. So yes, this one is cute. This is the parting space at the top. I'll probably have to do something with that. I'm probably gonna curl it a little bit to give it just a little bit more body. But yeah, what y'all think about this on my skin tone? What y'all think? I mean, I think it's giving something. What y'all think it's giving? Pinup doll, Apollonia. Now, when I get these styled, guys, I will definitely show you all how it looks styled up. But I am feeling this purple, so let me know what y'all think in the comments. Do y'all like wig number 1, wig number 2, or wig number 3, or all 3 of them, or none? Let me know. So that is the end of our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little wig try on video. Y'all, I hate that you can see this lace is just like, oh, I can't wait to style it up so I can show you guys my costume in its entirety. But if you do like these type of videos from me, please go ahead, smash that like button, leave me a comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. I'm definitely feeling wig number 2 and 3. I like 1, but that's what I normally wear, but 2 and 3 is definitely out of my comfort zone. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, and I will see you guys later. Make sure you follow me on social media. It's all down below. Thumbs up this video if you like this type of content, if y'all want me to try on more wigs or whatever. And yeah, that's all I have. I'll have everything linked down below, guys. So yes, that's it. All right, take care, my loves. Bye.